the mist is burning off very quickly.
Okay, Lee's here with me and we're investigating this. He dragged this out of a skip, which is a wonderful thing. A lot of the good things come out of skips. A Rollec Type 1 charger. And most people, car charger for an EV, and most people would think, what do you want a Type 1 for? But actually, they're perfectly all right. I've got a PodPoint Type 1, 3.5 kilowatt. It's fine, and we've got an adapter. Lee bought an adapter that fits into the Type 1 and then adapts to the Type 2. So, and actually 3.5 kilowatt, what do you reckon, Lee? Charging rate, 3.5 kilowatt?
I think it's really good. I mean, it's about half of a Type 2, of what a Type 2 is capable of, but there are, I think we've discussed this, and that there are reasons why you would prefer to charge at the lower rate, at 3.5. You could probably explain more about that.
Yeah, well, there's several things. One is a very slowish charge is better for the batteries, better for general balancing, and also if you've got solar, you will not be importing as much. There's no point in running at 7 with only, say, a 3 kilowatt solar system. Yeah, then even on the best of worlds, you're going to be importing 4 kilowatts. Whereas if you're running at 3.5, then best case scenario, you're only importing 500 watts. Yeah, and of course, if you can go into your car and change the menu, that changes all that idea slightly. But effectively, a Type 1 charger is for free, or not very much, because most people reckon it's not worth having, which is, I don't believe that's correct, but then other people can say in the comments.
Yeah, I mean, this particular one, the story on this, I fished it out of a skip. It was a skip at somebody's house, and they'd had the Type 1 taken out and a Type 2 put in as a replacement, and I think this is because they changed their car, and so the car needed a Type 2 connector. They didn't know that you could get an adapter from Type 1 to Type 2, and it seemed that the Type 2 charge unit installer was happy to not tell them that, and so charged them for a whole new Type 2 charger.
Exactly.
And so this went in the skip.
So what's that going to cost them? £800?
Yeah.
£1,000?
Yeah.
Or, I don't. You paid 40 quid for the adapter,
40
didn't
quid
you?
for the adapter.
Yeah, they might have come down by now.
Maybe.
Yeah, but of course, the bad thing was, or maybe not, I don't know, the installer chopped the cable off.
Yeah.
So we're going to do a little bit of bodgeroo. Okay, we're going to experiment with this. We're going to put it on a 13 amp plug, and then we're going to replace this cable, which I'm thinking it looks like 4mm. Yeah, we're going to replace it with the heaviest duty mains cable I've got, plus an extra communications cable. So there's live, neutral and earth and communications, and this little thing here, Lee's just been looking it up, is communication with the car, and then you've got these wires that actually go onto the back of the front, and what you've got, red, brown, green or something. There we go, and this is LEDs, we're thinking.
Yeah, we think that this thing, it's not actually a button. We're thinking that this sort of ring around here has got, behind there's 3 different coloured LEDs, and that tells you what the charger is doing depending on whether they're solid or flashing and what colour they are, and
Right.
that's what these cables are for.
So watch this space. I'm going to go to the cable area of possibilities, yeah, and find some cable, and we're going to bodge this together, and then we're going to plug it into an EV. Right, let's crack on. Okay, we've got the mains plugged in through a quick connect, just because we've used fairly fat cable and it's difficult to get that fat cable into a 3-pin plug. But there is a 13 amp fuse in that quick connect. We follow the cable down and we're into the Rollec. Yeah, and I'm not sure if you can see this, but we've got a blue light there. Alright, and Lee is just trying to find the manual. But I'm assuming blue will be standby, green will be we're charging, and red will be what have you done, stop it now. Right, so just bear with us for a minute and we'll be back to you. We've wired it up. Yeah, we've used, I think this yellow cable is 2.5, but it'll be fine for a test. Yeah, and if we wanted to use this properly, then the charger would be wanting to be wired up with 4mm from the mains, and we'd want the shortest possible cable length with as big a cable as we can with a communication cable. And if you see here, we had problems with the way they chopped the end off on this plug, but the white cable, we're only using one strand, the blue, as the communication. So we're there, we're ready for a test. Yeah, just a proof of concept. Yeah, I repeat, we wouldn't do this as a permanent, this is just a 5-minute test. Okay, right, this is a quick test because we found a problem.
Ready?
So Lee's going to poke that in. Yeah. And that's going. It's on green. And Lee's taking the...
quickly going up above 6 kilowatts. 6 kilowatts. Yeah.
That'll do.
Yep.
That'll do. And it's gone. It's just tripped the supply. So that is 6.5 kilowatts, something like that.
Yeah, it topped out at 6 kilowatts, probably 6.5 kilowatts on the input side.
Yeah.
And basically we know that works, so that could be wired up properly and obviously fused accordingly.
Yes.
And that'll just run. So
that's right.
It did work. It was in the skip because they changed their car.
But it was because the end of the cable was wrong. This is still a 7 kilowatt charger, so they could have just changed the cable.
They could have just put the adapter on.
They could have just put the adapter
for 40
on.
quid.
Will that adapter handle 7 kilowatt?
Yeah, it's a Type 2 adapter.
Right,
so
yeah, so it should do.
7 kilowatts.
So, do you know what? The waste, it just does my head in sometimes. But in the end, you have to let it go.
Yeah.
Yeah. But there you go, folks. A Rollec out of the skip. A little bit of guerrilla wiring as a proof of concept, and away it goes. Nice one. Thanks very much, Lee.
That'll do.
And catch up with you soon. Cheers.